A proper fit of your QuietComfort earbuds is essential to ensure comfort along with getting the best noise cancellation and audio performance. Let's begin by trying them on. Insert the earbud so the ear tip sits comfortably in your ear canal. Slightly rotate the earbud back until the ear tip creates a comfortable seal and the stability band rests against your ear ridge. Repeat these steps for the other earbud. If the earbuds don't feel comfortable or secure, or noise cancellation or sound quality isn't as expected, try another ear tip or stability band size. Your earbuds come included with 3 ear tip sizes, small, medium, and large, and 3 stability band sizes, 1, 2, and 3. By default, the medium-size ear tips and size 1 stability bands come already attached to the earbuds. To remove an ear tip, gently squeeze it and peel it away from the earbud. Now choose a new ear tip size. Align the oval base of the ear tip with the oval earbud nozzle and then slide the ear tip onto it. Make sure the oval openings on the earbud and ear tip are aligned. To remove a stability band, gently grab the scoop and then peel the band away from the earbud. Now choose a new band size. The stability bands have markings to indicate left and right as well as their size. Loop the band over the ear tip and make sure the tab on the band fits into the notch on top of the earbud. Go around and press down until the band fits securely in place. Aligning the band correctly ensures that no ports are blocked. Now try the earbuds on again and see how they feel. You have the right fit when the earbuds feel snug but comfortable. Keep in mind, you may need a different size ear tip or stability band for each ear. For additional support, visit our website.